This is why you need to understand deep neural networks. Deep neural networks, or DNNs, are like the brainpower behind artificial intelligence. They use multiple hidden layers to crunch data and solve super complex problems. Imagine layers of neurons passing information, learning patterns, and making predictions. So what's the big deal? DNNs excel in computer vision, natural language processing, and even detecting diseases like cancer. They're more advanced and resource-hungry than regular neural networks, needing powerful GPUs to train faster. Here's how they work. Data goes into the input layer, travels through hidden layers via forward propagation, and voila! The output layer gives the final prediction. And to make sure they don't go haywire, we use techniques like regularization, dropout, and early stopping. In the real world, DNNs are game changers. They optimize airline fleets, predict machine maintenance, and detect fraud. Plus, they can augment data to make models even smarter. Deep neural networks are the secret sauce behind so much modern tech. Dive in and discover their endless possibilities. Please subscribe.